Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use our slider into the new GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so if you are already using this slider into your old GoHighLevel page builder and you want to use this same code for your new page builder, okay, then this video is for you. Okay, so let me show you how this actually works. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention here. So you can follow this instruction to add all the codes into your page and use the same HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. You don't need to make any update or any changes. Just follow the step-by-step process and do everything it's showing here. Okay, and then the update is to hide the row. Okay, so basically on the previous builder, the classic builder, the option to hide section, row or any columns is different than the new builder. Okay, so after edit all the code, okay, make sure you edit all the columns ID properly, and then you need to hide the row. Otherwise let me show you how it will looks like. Okay, so here's it. Okay, so if you don't hide them, then it will visible the column you created as well as the slider. So in this case we need to hide all these columns so that it only showing inside the slider. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. Just click here. Okay, from the page builder, click here the layer, and then you will see that all the available section, like in my case I have 4 section. Okay, but in your case if you have more than 4, okay, it can be any number of section you have on your page. Okay, just scroll down and select the section. Okay, just go to the section where you added the slider as well as all those columns. Okay, and then you can see here in my case I have 3 column rows, and then all you just need to click this 3 dot icon and click hide. Okay, it will be hidden on any device. Okay, so here is the second one. So now it will only visible the slider, okay, not all those rows. Okay, so let me save it and preview it just like before. Okay, preview, and once you preview, then you can see here, just scroll down. So now it's only showing the slider, and the slider is working perfectly, okay, for both of the classic builder as well as the new page builder. Okay, but the only difference is to hide your column. Okay, so that's it for this video. So if you find this helpful, then feel free to like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are making so many different type of code snippets, especially for GoHighLevel, to make things simple and more effective. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.